Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you must be wondering where the heck I've been. So it's been about 3 years since I've done any type of YouTubing, whether it be a tutorial or a review or anything of that sort. A lot's gone on in the past 3 years, so I just wanted to come on here to say hello and to let all of you know that I will be doing YouTube videos again. So if you remember, or if you don't, if you're new, if you're old, my last uploaded video to YouTube would have been a brow tutorial. So within that 3-year span, I have moved, gotten a new job, you know, all of those life journeys that everyone goes through. So yeah, I decided now that I have relaunched the blog, October made, I think it's 2 years since I've relaunched the blog. I thought that it's time to pick up my camera, dust it off, and start recording YouTube videos again. It's something that weighed heavy on my heart when I stopped recording videos. I felt out of touch with my true passion for beauty. So I decided it's 2018, and although I don't, what's the word I want to use? Although I don't want to say I don't believe in New Year's resolutions. They're more so goals for myself. So I decided for 2018 that I would bring more focus to my YouTube and start up doing tutorials and reviews again. And with that being said, since the relaunch of the blog, before the relaunch, I was strictly doing beauty. Since the relaunch, I have incorporated lifestyle and food and things like that. So all of those aspects I hope to bring into my YouTube channel as well, just to cover the broader spectrum of my audience for the new year. So things that you will see on my YouTube channel for this coming year are food recipes, getting a little bit more personal with lifestyle things such as parenting, perhaps, my own journeys that I'll be on for the new year, and things like that. Not forgetting to, of course, incorporate beauty tutorials again. So don't worry, I will be doing the tutorials. But that's about it. I mean, it's a new year. It's like starting fresh again for me because it's been so long since I've done a YouTube video. So I'm really excited to start up again. So I just thought I would come on here just to break the ice and to say hello to all my followers, the one that's stuck around or that have left me messages wondering where I've been. I'm still here. I've got a lot that I want to cover on the channel, so I'm hoping you enjoy it. If you do have any type of ideas or things that you'd like to see on the channel, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll also be leaving links to all my other social media handles for you to follow along as well, in case you want to see what else I have going on. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to come back, say hello, tell you I'm here, and stay tuned for some exciting stuff for 2018. Thanks for watching. Bye.